Every day, tens of thousands of airplanes cross our skies, a remarkable feat of modern engineering. Yet, this comes with significant carbon emissions. In response, the aviation industry aims to cut these emissions by 50% by 2050, aligning with the European Union's Green Deal target for carbon neutrality. New powertrain technologies, such as hydrogen-powered fuel cells and combustion, are crucial for this transition. Green hydrogen, produced via renewable energy sources, holds great potential. However, significant technological challenges remain before hydrogen can be the main fuel for aerospace. This is where the European Project Triathlon comes into play. It will develop new ways of designing robust, low-emission, low-maintenance, highly responsive hydrogen-powered hybrid electric powertrains for megawatt-class aircraft. The technologies Triathlon will develop are going to improve the aviation industry through reducing fuel consumption and emissions, simplifying aircraft design by eliminating complex cryogenic systems, enhancing hydrogen conditioning efficiency, and introducing lighter, more compact hydrogen tanks. Triathlon will achieve this goal through 4 specific objectives. First, the project will enhance component interaction while recycling waste heat and water from fuel cells to improve combustion control and reduce NOx emissions. Second, a lightweight multi-state storage system design based on advanced composite materials will be developed. This will eliminate the need for cryogenic hydrogen fuel pumps and significantly enhance powertrain efficiency, thereby reducing emissions. Third, the focus will be on improving thermodynamic efficiency by exploiting the heat sink potential of the hydrogen flow for the thermal management of cooling components. Fourth, Triathlon will develop the system as a whole, focusing on how the components interact, which will significantly advance hybrid electric powertrain technology, funded by the European Union's Horizon Europe program. Triathlon is a 48-month project running from January 2024 to December 2027 with a €4 million budget. Coordinated by the Materials Innovation Institute and Delft University of Technology, the consortium includes 8 partners from 6 European countries and benefits from an external advisory board of experts. Triathlon is more than just a project. It's a step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future. This is the future of aviation. This is Triathlon.